What? Well, Siciano. Yes, will be ancient nose mask. Compulsory. Pill. I was always nose mask. Because COVID-19 now. Aba no ne baby e keka kono. Nose mask no e ka ho bi na ebo ho ban. Nti no. Siciano so obebo ho ban yie no. O sorry ahohoro nsa. Imperial rough. Sanitizer if be ye nsa. Now most importantly, nose mask. O call public places. Be here also show nose mask. And no dem paying for saying as here. Ne metete no kra no. Ye say aye na mra. Ti no ko baby ti say bank, market, public places baby a nipa wo bebre wo show mask. And yes wo koda na wa hye mask me ti fie say. Ti na mayi no. But me ko kroma. What's that? Me de hye. Na me bo me ho ban. Bank, public places, market, baby any pa e will be green obe and you say be out to car more drive bia now they are share and I say what wo fie to say me kwame wo fie say na eno me dey share me hune kuntan say wo be kun hu what you say and I say wo show them be now that now they are share wo hune kuntan dey be anyesa baby but oko baby any pa wo be bra it's very very important say wo nose mask wo de be do echi what they are born who buy, right? Mummy in I am boy who buy. None near methods near making kind of dear. And paying for saying, say, I am row. Say, your chill bank, market, baby, and nip power be brain as a nose mask now, nose mask no and shower. Minia, who when your problem? And say, say, mra. What I say? I can rules and regulations now. I can home. Into see a chill bank, market, public places, baby, and nipa hoya crowded, nipa be bro now share mask no. You bet me 20,000 Ghana cedis, which is 200 million. And you're making kind of cause me now a message and me now my phone so. And I make kind of show me summarizing natural. Yes, regulations na baba account ye chill public places it is a bank market baby any power be brave na ensure 20,000 Ghana cedis which is 200 million no betua se wonni bia any 6 months 6 months na ye do akotum eno ano 6 months you do call prison 6 months o call dey fiase 6 months o call sha bank kukum 6 months and also with your 220,000 Ghana cedis which is 200 million in tishanes when you ram paying for e dey aba omani abrepa they are just serious with it and it's not for them it's just for you to protect yourself because COVID-19 is serious it's a deadly disease that so na yenya dry it be to asintie e be hia say obebo ho ban na oko public place we always want to say me I don't have so but if you are near Okoshia on any come bank near Oko Kasana Hono and our market no no dijan when you obey the one and also be sure be or Cassages no attending to be attending to so and you obey the one and if I cut one and say what the Catara say in there well obi Casacrana salava eba and I sent us to Titi be a bomber a binya. What you are saying, we never ever channel. I tell me about who buy. Now it's very very good power with them paying for everyone. Baso say you're making kind. I say the message in a meaning now making kind. If it's true that then you've done well. So my rebis are saying you never to me additional boy who buy. But you hear me pound say some way now machine. Mama share mass here half full. Mama can say. Tisani ye nim no Ghana mrahye de ye before say bibini hyemra pa ye betimi ahye tisi abase ne say be ye be enforce no ana say be ye adwuma no na ayi problem ekoba sanso ase nyiyi mu nsusu wom obi wo ho a offense ne china ase ye hu ye but obi offense ne china na ya ntare mama me emfa nkwa ha somot ase we ye boye nyan ho ban nti broni si leadership by example munye bi enye se ye be hu panyi bi o bank na we one ho da ho ekobasa citizens be ka say onye and as usual say ne nimemra bebre ne e wo ha se ye ni so menu ni from painful to asia ha ye nya nim say mra bebre wo mai ma ye ni so ya de ano keke ne aka ya enforcing so no ya kana say ya amend ya emra no ho but yen hwe say be ye adwuma we de ye de boy ho ban itimoma ye nyina ye ni so efri mpanyfo so kosi enkra so moma ye ni so efri ye kana say mpanyfo na mo so besi ya egu ase ha so no moma ye ni so o man mpanyfo ne citizens moma ye nya ni so what you say yet to say mo ma citizens no because ka we de citizen no anya so ono an ho na ya kana say ono ne ho na obo ne ho ban but we say wanya enko no an be affecting ba yen nim nipa leadership by example monye se ne be ya yen citizens so ye be hwe so ne ya ye bie mamo ma na nya te say enra de no anase ne wo ho dada no aye emra no wo ho nsu no munni so no panfo no mu bi wo ho munni mra so emra ne chema ase ye hu mu ene eskafo emra ntime nchi wo mu ma ne nye ye sa ne nim no ma ye sere mo mamo fa we nko ho ye mpese ye be hu panyi bi wo bank anase public place na wo hwene da ho ekobasa akacho ukohie obi na akacho nse won hye nose mask a won hye obeka se panyi no kra nhye ntimo ma ye nyina ye ndi so emra we na efo ye nyina yi bia nim enye fo ye kana sen executive ana say obi onye executive ana so obi o ska na so obi oniska ye nyina ye ni so enye se wo ye kana sen politician na okoye social gathering bia fe na ye kohwehwe bia ma wo kra uni bi ebi nsha obagi mu uni bi da fe ntinu ukoye social gathering bia na se okoma speech bia fe na ye kohwehwe bia we chechero hene pa cho moma ye nyina enye faithful to ourselves senior mo shemra se ye ni bia anase uchi muchi citizen bi or public place na se nose mask ni bi nhye na 20,000 Ghana cedis which is 200 million old currency is katia mamu me shemra we man hiafo moti ase anase wo mo a wo mu ni tumi wo mu ni power ye nyina ye hyemu bi senior be ye nyina betimi aboye ho ban pe mamu nhye ma hiafo mamu nhye ma ye kana se omo ni power na so muni aban mu then ze obi wo ho a politician na ye be hwe NPP NDC hwan CPP hwan mo maka dem say aye dey politicians nti emra ne chi wa chi so ye NDC ni o ye NPP ni o ye CPP o ye PPP o ye hwan eso mu that is it sa we na maka mo de aba no mo say regulation mo de aba a che say ye mra kitten ye chi say nose mask and show public place you bet you 20,000 Ghana cedis 200 million Ghana cedis to the binti mesra we are citizen na 200 million no who will be the hodie now will be the okra betim there ABB important and this time we are serious almost so many abrepa enya te say no ade na na say ne ye nim ne semra na ye sha na ye sa na ene nam ho panyin ni so akra ni so wo mo post ni so wo mo ni post ni so yes sir be this time you are serious baby abeko bia fa nose mask ko 2 cedis 1 cedi see awudu baby abu tobi na me mpanyfo na mu de ne hia me mu tobi mu nyuzu bi nyese mo ahemra no makotena no maka tra no maso akoda na ye egu ase citizens am do bia be hye ko munye bi leadership by example mu nhye bi ye pese ye be hye am bank na market places bi na ana public places na wo nhye bi nyeze wo be hu ni pafe na wo be twen free wo bag ma wa be chichiro hene don't deceive us ye di mo chi ne mo ye ne ye hwe ne mo ye no ene ye hwe nti mo say by a year abey law no bia obe a mo make sure say mo be enforce mo be ma na ye adwuma mo a mo hwe semra ne be ye adwuma mo hwe ne nye adwuma yi nyi mu bi enim ye nyina ye pewe yare ho asem ne ye ka covid-19 e betimi achi politician e betimi achi hia ne e betimi achi sikani e chi obi eyeye ayenim abibifo bibi ni be ka che o se wo kra se bi nhye na ara na be ka che me se me nhye enti mpanyfo no mo nhye enye se wo koye social gathering bi ana koma speech afa na ne ye koye bi ato aba be hye wo kon abechichire ohune ko ba saa se mo amunim ye nyina ye ni emra ne so na ye ho entoyana se ntimi mo ye ho ban eye obi anto bi ento ne fie na emom enye se wo take you back ko che dware ana ehye wo hene o da wo hye kitchen anko ana se wo ho bi se na anko na watama chichiro kon da be no de obe suffocate wo ho be ana where show more comfort. But you go public places, maybe a crowded. You have to protect yourself, okay? Into when pay for my idea, papa, you're going to mama, but no way, moon share my ass, you have for Munina Munyebi. Munina, no one is above this law. Munina, Munsha nose mask maybe. And boy, home by leadership, they say, is by example. Now you're so edimuchibi. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe, Jonas TV, for more educative videos.